What is sociology? See, to define sociology in one single sentence is very difficult. Why? Because different sociologists has given a lot of definitions about it. But in this video, we are going to understand what sociology actually is. So, sociology is a study. Study of what? Study of the society. What kind of study? Very deep and critical study of the society. Sociology is a systematic, analytical, skeptical and critical study of the society. सोशियोलॉजी हमें एक नया अंदाज देता है सोसाइटी को देखने का, नया नया तरीका देता है. तो सोशियोलॉजी गिव्स अस टू टाइप्स ऑफ व्यूज. वन इज द टेलीस्कोपिक व्यू एंड द अदर इज द माइक्रोस्कोपिक व्यू. तो टेलीस्कोपिक व्यू में होता क्या है, मान लीजिए आप एक पहाड़ के ऊपर खड़े हैं और नीचे जो है आपका समाज है. तो नीचे आप देख रहे हैं समाज के डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ इंस्टीट्यूशन, जैसे कि हो गया सोशल इंस्टीट्यूशंस जैसे फैमिली, मैरिज वगैरह वगैरह, कास्ट, या फिर हो गया पॉलिटिकल इंस्टीट्यूशंस, एजुकेशनल इंस्टीट्यूशंस, इकोनॉमिक इंस्टीट्यूशंस. सो एक पहाड़ के ऊपर से आप सोसाइटी को ऊपर से देख रहे हो, एक होलिस्टिक व्यू. दैट इज द टेलीस्कोपिक व्यू दैट सोशियोलॉजी प्रोवाइड्स. And the other is the microscopic view. What do you see under a microscope? What the tiniest objects. तो सोशियोलॉजी भी आपको एक माइक्रोस्कोप दे देता है जिससे आप सोसाइटी में हो रहे हर एक छोटे से छोटे चीज को, ईच एंड एवरी माइन्यूट डिटेल्स ऑफ द सोसाइटी आप बारीकी से देखते हो. लेट्स टेक एन एग्जांपल. मैरिज. व्हाट इज मैरिज? Marriage is a union of a couple or union of two families. A sociologist would see marriage as a social institution involving emotional contact, the union of two families, along with the rituals involved with the particular community, different types of marriages among different types of communities, the rules and regulations, the relation of marriage with money and other matters, marriage related problems like dowry and domestic violence, and all the things, each and everything is studied very minutely. Not only marriage, the families, the working condition of the mine workers, the conversation between a shopkeeper and a customer, environmental problems, economic problems faced by the common people, effect of different types of government policies on the people, each and everything related to the society is studied under sociology. Now, let's have a look on different definitions given by different scholars on sociology. First, the father of sociology, Auguste Comte, defines sociology as the science of social phenomena subject to natural and invariable laws, the discovery of which is the object of investigation. Second, Kingsley Davis defines sociology is a general science of society. Third, in the views of Maurice Ginsburg, in the broadest sense, sociology is the study of human interactions and interrelations, their conditions and consequences. मतलब सोशियोलॉजी ह्यूमन सोसाइटी का एक साइंटिफिक स्टडी है जिसमें सोशल रिलेशनशिप्स यानी कि सामाजिक संबंधों, पारंपरिक क्रियाओं तथा हमारे सोशल लाइफ को गवर्न करने वाले लॉज यानी नियमों का स्टडी किया जाता है. So till now we have understood what is the focus of sociology. So sociology paid attention to the society and the dynamic units of it. Man as an individual was never the focus of attention for sociology. Sociology focuses on different social processes like socialization, cooperation, competition, accommodation, assimilation, etc. as well as different social institutions, different economic institutions, political institutions, and the interrelationships among all these institutions and human. At last, we can say that sociology is a subject that studies the society very deeply. If you found the video easy, please subscribe to my channel. Go easy with Ajay, hit the like button and share it with your friends.